What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rahina here, and welcome back to the Passion Bill YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to secure your helmet on your SV650 or your SV1000 using the OEM helmet hooks that are equipped from factory. Now, as you can see right here, I have my helmet sitting on the passenger fairing of my bike. Now, if a thief were to come up to my bike right now and try to take my helmet, it's not going anywhere. In all honesty, they would probably knock my bike over by the time they try to figure out how to actually rip this thing off. Now, Suzuki did something awesome. A lot of times, usually people just take their helmets and they leave them on their handlebars, and that could either lead to a thief walking by, grabbing your helmet and walking away, or just a pedestrian walking by, tapping your bike or tapping your helmet and knocking it over. And sometimes people pay a lot of money for these helmets, and you don't want to drop your investment like that. Now, Suzuki, like I said, came up with a very great thing, which is factory helmet hooks. So if you lift up your rear seat cover, you'll notice on the underside, you have two hooks, one on each side, one for the main rider and then one for the passenger. Now, you can just basically take your helmet buckle and you run it underneath that hook, and you just leave your helmet hanging on the side of the bike. You take your seat and you secure that down like that. Your seat's not coming off, and your helmet, it's not going anywhere. Now, the great thing here about this is that you can actually use, if you don't have a passenger rear seat and don't carry a passenger, and you have a factory seat cowl delete, what you could do is you can actually snap that on, and it has a little notch on this side right here. Actually, let me show you. I got one right here. So if you look on this side right here, it has a notch in it, so you can actually just buckle this down and swap it out onto this seat right here, and then your helmet, since you're going to be a solo rider, your helmet will actually be sitting out on the left hand side of the bike rather than the right. But real quick, let me just show you an example of what this one looks like with the helmet installed. And this is how it looks with the passenger seat cowl delete. Now, like I said, an OEM seat cowl has this little notch right there, and as you can see, that notch is doing its job, leaving enough breathe room for the buckle and allowing the seat cowl to sit nice and flush all around. And like I said, also, you don't have to worry, since you're not obviously gonna have a passenger on here, there's no notch on this side, so it keeps that nice flush look all the way around. So you have two options. You can use your OEM seat or your seat cowl. And like I said, guys, this is definitely the best way to secure your helmet on your bike. If any thief were to come by and try ripping off your seat cowl or just try prying on your helmet like that, they're definitely gonna cause a lot of attention to themselves and probably get caught in the process. So stop leaving your helmets on your handlebars. Start using your OEM helmet locks if you guys did not know about this feature. I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future SV content. And until the next one, guys, I'll see you then. Peace.